Hello, I'm Dave from counterguards.com, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about whether it's a good value to DIY your counter guard for your business to help keep your employees and your customers safe during this time of the coronavirus crisis and pandemic. So we've received a number of calls, and I know people are looking for ways to do this themselves, and so I just want to share a couple thoughts on that. Here's an example. This is just a demo piece of an acrylic that we had here, and one of the challenges in fabricating anything with acrylic is cutting it and drilling it. And I might zoom this in a little closer here. If you look at kind of the shape of the holes there, that's what happens when don't have the right bit and you're trying to drill holes through something. It ends up getting kind of chewed up and it spiders out. Same thing can happen if you don't have the exact right saw to cut this with. You can end up shattering what you have. You can end up spidering cracks right through the material. Two is that getting acrylic right now in most cases is going to require going to a store. And so you'll go to a Lowe's, a Home Depot, a Menards if there's one near you, or some similar big box home improvement store, which is probably one of the last places that you should be right now. We're all ordered to stay home and do what's essential. And while this might be essential, we've got a touchless way to do this for you. But if you do decide to go out and purchase something, right now acrylic and plexiglass and polycarbonate, any clear plastic is in high demand and it is out of stock at many places. So this could take you more than one trip to find what you're looking for. And when you do, it would be easy to drop $50 to well over $100 to get what they have available, because the stock is limited, and so you may end up getting a larger piece than you need or multiple smaller pieces to try to piece it together, or something that's flimsier than what you wanted. So you could end up spending real money, and that's before putting it together. Then once you get it back to home or your shop, you have to spend some time attempting to cut it, which may take multiple attempts like we were talking about. It can crack and splinter and get damaged, which could require repeat trips to the store. So I guess what we're getting at here is that we feel that we've got a fair solution. At counterguards.com, which is part of Better Banner Printing, since we're taking a little break from printing right now to serve our frontline workers through making our portable counter guard, I'm going to do a shameless plug for this, because this, for $149 delivered. We're now offering free shipping for at least the next week on these, free ground shipping to anywhere in the continental US. And so that means for $149 delivered, you can get one of these guys, and you don't have to go to the store. You don't even have to leave your house. You don't have to touch anybody else's stuff. It just goes into a UPS box. It shows up at your doorstep and sets up with minutes. And this guy here, we've got our pass-through slot in the bottom, which is available in two sizes. You can have a 10-inch high one, or this one that's a 5-inch high. Convenience stores are preferring the higher opening, and many other businesses prefer the lower opening. It has our fold-out side wings that allows it to cover as narrow as a 24-inch wide countertop, or as wide out to about 40-something inches, and provide some protection on the sides as well as the front for your employees and your customers. So if you're interested in this, $149 delivered with UPS ground anywhere in the continental US for the next week. We'd love to help you. We've been sending out tons of these. I think we're up to 16 states right now that we've shipped to from our home base in Ohio. We're a small business, and we'd love the opportunity to help you. If you do decide to embark on making something like this for yourself, I expect that you'll come up with something great. I hope that you have a good time doing it, and if there's some other way we can be of service, please let us know. Again, this is Dave at counterguards.com, and I hope you have a great and safe day.